Today, I want to talk to you about a concept instead of a single strike or a single trick. That concept is called spotting. It's a term you've probably heard in regards to other sports, but today I want to talk about how it's useful in martial arts to make your form more realistic. Spotting in martial arts is really the concept of looking at the person you're fighting. So if I'm fighting someone off to the side here, I'm looking at them. I'm not looking over to you at the camera because you're not my fighter. I'm fighting someone over here. If I then were to start fighting someone over here, I should try and look before I start fighting over there. Otherwise, it's not going to make much sense that I knew to strike that way. This is of particular importance in traditional forms because they're all about selling that fight, selling that story of how we're fighting all these attackers off. The second big part of spotting is spotting while spinning. So that means if I'm going to do a spin, I want to look towards my target as much as possible. So if I were to do one, I look at the camera until I can't possibly anymore, and then I twirl my head as far as possible the other way, spot the camera, complete the spin. If you're going to do multiple spins, this is done multiple times, like so. Spotting while spinning has two main benefits. Number one, it helps make the form look more realistic since we're looking at the target as much as possible. And number two, it actually makes spinning easier. It does this by helping us maintain our frame of reference. We always know where that front is, so when we're doing a spin, we never lose track of where we are, which also helps prevent dizziness. Since we're not seeing the entire room and our head is staying still as much as possible, it helps us prevent being dizzy, allowing us to do more spins in a row. Thanks for watching the whole video. I hope you learned something and enjoyed it. If you did, please give it that thumbs up, leave any questions in the comments, and check out my channel for other videos.